Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Rewards not working so you can get back to earning and redeeming your points in 2026. Let's get into it. First, disable VPNs and proxy servers. The most frequent cause of on-the-go errors or points not tracking is a conflict with your network connection. Fully disable any VPN, proxy server, or custom DNS you have running on your computer or mobile device. If you are on a mobile device, try switching from cellular data to a stable Wi-Fi connection, or vice versa, to reset your IP. Microsoft's security systems are highly sensitive to location spoofing. Even if you aren't trying to cheat, a VPN can make the system think you are in a different country, which triggers a security lock on your daily tasks to prevent regional fraud. Next, verify your account country and region. If your IP address is clean but the problem persists, your internal account settings might be mismatched with your physical location. Visit account.microsoft.com, go to the Your Info tab, and select Edit Profile Info. Verify that your country or region is set correctly to where you live. If you've recently traveled, ensure it is set back to your home territory. Microsoft Rewards catalogs are region-specific, so if your account is set to United States but your internet shows you are in Indonesia, the dashboard will glitch or show a blank rewards shop. Aligning these settings ensures the 2026 infrastructure can serve you the correct localized tasks. Lastly, test in a Microsoft Edge in private window. To determine if the issue is a back-end account problem or just a front-end browser glitch, you should use a clean environment. Open Microsoft Edge and press Ctrl-Shift-N to open a new in-private window. Log in to the rewards dashboard from this window and try a few searches. If it works here, it means you simply need to clear your browser cache and cookies in your main window. Browser extensions like ad blockers or corrupted cookies often interfere with the script that tracks your points. An in-private window disables these extensions and starts with zero cache, providing a pure connection to the rewards server to confirm your account is still in good standing. And that's pretty much it. To fix Microsoft Rewards in 2026, start by disabling any VPNs to clear your IP. Next, verify that your account region matches your physical location in your profile settings. Finally, test the dashboard in a Microsoft Edge in private window to rule out browser extension interference. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.